Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can easily enable silent mode in Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments after watching this video. And let's get into this topic. And please open the Instagram app on your phone and then go to your page. Next, you'll need to tap on the three bars in the top right corner. To go to Settings, and here in Settings, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find Notifications. You'll need to go to those. In the notifications, you'll be able to find the silent mode. If you can't find silent mode in your notifications, then I recommend that you go to the App Store or Google Play to update your Instagram app to the latest version. And after that, reopen Instagram and go to this section of settings. So, if you find the quiet mode section, click on it. And here, as you can see, you need to activate it first by clicking on this button right here. And now you can line up here the time when you're going to have the silent mode start and when it's going to end. To do that, you'll need to click on the timeline and select the time that works for you. Also at the bottom, you can select the days on which the silent mode will work. As you can see, all single weeks are automatically selected. And if you want to remove, for example, Saturday and Sunday, you just have to click on them to make them grayed out. That's the way it is. Friends, you can easily enable silent mode in the Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to this channel and see you soon.